MBG with MBG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I've ever done an unboxing video, but this is going to be one today. I'm in the Daytona 392. I get home and I have this. So, it probably is my new American Express Premier Rewards Gold Card. Well, let's just see. All right, so there we go. It is an express envelope from UPS. On the back it says extremely urgent. So it is probably, all right, so here it is. This is it. This is the box. All right, American Express. They call it PRG, Premier Rewards Gold Card, PRG, American Express. And with these cards, you get points as you spend at the gas station, which I'll spend with this card like you wouldn't believe. You get points when you go to restaurants. You get points when you go to the supermarket. You get points when you are actually buying tickets to fly away. So this is a card that pays you back. As much as this card costs on gas, I can use now my American Express Premier Rewards Gold Card and pay myself back. Let's slowly open it. All right, so the box has this little serrated thing right here. I'm gonna slowly just start to pull it. All right, so that piece is gone. And then when you open it up, you got a gold envelope like this. This box now is nothing. Nothing's in this box. You just make sure. All right, so this is the box that it comes in. I will save this box. As you open it, it looks like this. All right, and then you take out the envelope. So here you go. There's the envelope. They already have it nice for you. You can just easily take it out. This is a nice envelope. I'm gonna save all of this, guys. Like I said, you want to have something that's going to pay you back, especially when you have a car that you're using to spend a lot of gas on. Things that you like to do, if you like to go to restaurants, if you like to go out to eat. All right, so my channel is to give you guys the most informative information that there is. I will try this card out and see how I like it. It will pay you back. It's not like before how you'll just spend your own money and you get nothing in return. In this case, with this American Express card, you spend your money and you get benefits back, gifts, trips, plane tickets to places that you can pay. I've heard people paying 25 bucks to go to Europe, all right, because they have so many points built up. All right, here's all your card member agreements right here. Just papers, all your terms, your card member agreement part 1 and part 2, your agreements. We're gonna put all this down. And then for the good part, here is your card. There's the card right there. You basically peel the card off the paper and wow. Here it says, please visit AmericanExpress.com to confirm your card. All right, to confirm you have received your card and download the Amex mobile app for on-the-go access. And this card is very nice, extremely nice. All right, has a very nice shine to it, super nice shine. So, guys, the purpose of this video is to just let you guys know you need to make sure you are taking care of your credit, because your credit is everything. You want to buy a new car, a house. Just a quick unboxing of how the American Express PRG, Premier Rewards Gold Card looks. All right, and this is a step right below the Platinum. Work your way up to it. You need a fairly higher score to be able to get approved for this card, but you guys can do it. All right, a lot of you guys were asking me before, what's the best card to get? All right, and I tell you, a Capital One card is the best card to start off with, and then you can move up to any other card, this card or any other card that will pay you back. All right, just like you're spending $5 of your money right now, you're not getting anything back. You spend $5 on this card and you get points back, and at the end of the day, the more money you spend on this card, you get money back. All right, you get rewards back. You are getting benefits when you spend your money, when you get your credit to a certain level. All right, you get cars that you want. All right, you get APRs that you want. You get credit cards that you want. You get homes that you want. Things that you always wanted that you want to finance, you can get. It is all about getting your credit right. Any credit questions you guys got, let me know and I'll be more than willing to help you. All right, you guys already know that. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, That's gonna be a wrap.